Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badipet Yakatanat Civil Defence and Home Guards branding e sangma haka khanyo ter risau ulaple ka Ophis Thymmai jong ka Jowai Civil Defence and Home Guards haka jina lang menteri katanat ka kot ka kya uba welat miki shila kani ka jingtai ka Ophis Thymmai hali sena hali mi mentru Jowai kade ka sien jam ka kongsan ban klan ka jingla ban trekam jong ki Civil Defence ban Home Guards haka district ya ka belate haka jingdot ka khandai kror tingka branding e sangma haka jingkran ulong kani ka yeng Ophis ka Thymmai ka belate penmandur bah kan tiu ka jingtri kampha jong ka Home Guards but Civil Defence branding e sangma ula pentip bakatanat kadang penkelaru iki artali ki battalion shiki artali ki company jong ka State Disaster Response Force ban penklan ka jingla baniram habaja ki jingja besngosi bat ki jingja bompoi perkhan Shwakani UMK sangma director ka Civil Defence Meghalaya Shillong ulai khuble yu utrai yeng ubla penbyang ya kajaka bel IY hadong mi sngi lat thatlabo nak bakate katanat kala trekam labun bun snam usangma ulakdo bakatu kani ki project idang yat benta kantup ka jingshna ya ka yeng Ophis Thymmai jong katanat bat ka project stimulation pool hamau diang ka basyong dor san klur tingka bat ka jingterwa bante ya ka yeng directorate bat ka Ophis Thymmai habuliam nagar Shu ula pentip ru bag revenue department kala menjur arklur tingka ban thiet ya ki tiar kitar Thymmai ya ki SDRF nak benta banyarap belat im ya ki brio nolor kata hapo ka central scheme katanat kan sedang ban ajing hikai ya ki lai spa handrup hongut ki home guard volunteer bat ki warden naduk ka arpu ar tarik risau arja arpusan hadian kani ki master trainer na ki jela bemarjan ke Tripura Mizoram ru kinyo training hakani ke General Training Institute habakran halor ke jing e ke bede ba ke jing siu ya ke duty allowance ula kubur ke jing e ba ki volunteer ki kendo namar ke jing slam ban siu bat pentikna ba katanat home guard but civil defense menta ki la shim ke jing kit kle ban pentikna ban IPSA hakapor ke babyang hagani sngila don lang URP Khongwar Joint Commandant General of Home Guards Meghalaya Shillong Ujaspal Singh Dona IPS Superintendent of Police West Giant Hills ka VK Zo IS SDO Sardar Jowai Nalor Kiwi.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing as we proceed to the inauguration flag to be unveiled by the chief guest.
Free branding is sangma
this infrastructure present here today, I feel that really it will help the department in order to work more and especially to give training to many of our youth. And as we all know that our home guard they are silent worker. No doubt many instances their contribution is we're never able to really able to realize it, but they were there in each and every most of the major program or instances of natural calamities, and even during COVID we have seen your immense contribution. I think today this building is the testament of that the government is really looking forward, that no doubt the service cannot be given without better infrastructure. So I hope that with this infrastructure, that like I said, that the department will be able to expand its service. And also, as we do realize that especially all the citizens, I think we should try from the government I think it is civil, we should have some kind of training.
Give immense pride and satisfaction of the inauguration of this new office building of Civil Defense and Home Guards Department in Jaitia, West Jaitia Hills. The building has been a long-pending dream of not only the rank and file of the department, but of the people of Jaitia Hills also. All this while the district level offices of the Civil Defense and Home Guards was operating from a rented building. However, the long wait has been worked. It seems the building we now see in front of us, outside all the present buildings of the department in the state. I extend my deepest appreciation to the Honorable Chief Ministers for being sanctioning the fund for construction of this new district Home Guard and Civil Defense office building here in Jowai. It is a part of his commitment to develop infrastructure all over the state. We must appreciate local level and the Minister for Family Welfare and Sports and other department. Without his initiation, this project could not be materialized, and it would not have been set into reality. I am thankful to the local level. Therefore, this occasion is not just the inauguration of the infrastructure, but a reaffirmation of our government's commitment to strengthen institutions that safeguard our people and serve our community in times of need. The Civil Defense and Home Guards have a long and proud history in Meghalaya. Time and again, they have stood as silent protectors of our citizens, whether in times of disaster, during public emergencies, or in assisting the police and administration maintaining law and order. Here, the Jaitia Hills support our civil defense volunteers and home guards. Volunteers have contributed immensely from assisting communities during landslide, floods,